Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3939, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3939? What's the symbolism of 3939? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3939 mean for love? What does 3939 mean for twin flames? What does 3939 for manifestation? How does angel number 3939 affect finances? What does 3939 mean for former relationships? How does 3939 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3939? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3939? What's the meaning of angel number 3939? Angel number 3939 represents transformation, creativity, and spiritual awakening. It signals the end of a life phase and the beginning of a more purpose-driven chapter. The number 3 resonates with growth, joy, and expression, while 9 relates to endings, wisdom, and humanitarian efforts. Together, 3939 encourages you to embrace your higher calling and let go of anything holding you back. This number urges you to focus on your soul mission, trust divine timing, and prepare for positive changes. It's a message that spiritual fulfillment will come when you align your actions with love, creativity, and service to others. What's the symbolism of angel number 3939? Angel number 3939 symbolizes spiritual growth, personal expression, and the completion of an important cycle. The number 3 embodies joy, communication, and inspiration, while 9 symbolizes endings, enlightenment, and altruism. Seeing this number repeatedly is symbolic of a transformation that is both internal and external, letting go of outdated beliefs or relationships and embracing your divine purpose. Symbolically, it's about rebirth through wisdom and using your creative energy to influence others positively. The double repetition emphasizes urgency and strength in these themes, signaling that you are fully supported by the universe in releasing the old and stepping into your next chapter. What is the angel number 3939 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3939 signifies awakening and divine purpose. Together, 3939 encourages you to surrender your past and embrace your higher calling. It's a sign that your spiritual gifts are awakening and that you are being called to lead with wisdom and compassion. The presence of 3939 may mean that you're nearing the end of a karmic cycle, and divine energy is urging you to align with your soul's path and live authentically. What does the angel number 3939 mean for love? In love, angel number 3939 indicates emotional growth, transformation, and the importance of meaningful connection. The 3 brings warmth, joy, and communication, while the 9 suggests that something may be ending or evolving to make space for a higher form of love. It urges you to seek relationships that reflect your spiritual and emotional values. If you're in a relationship, it may be time to elevate the connection or release it if it no longer serves your growth. If single, 3939 encourages self-love and readiness for a deeper, spiritually aligned bond that reflects your authentic self. What does angel number 3939 mean for twin flames? Angel number 3939 in twin flame journeys represents cycles of separation and reunion, growth, and spiritual maturity. The number 9 points to karmic endings and completion, suggesting both individuals are clearing old patterns to evolve. The 3 adds joy, communication, and creativity to the dynamic, helping strengthen the soul bond. If you're seeing 3939, it could signal a phase of emotional healing and preparation for reunion or deeper unity. The number asks twin flames to focus on their own spiritual development first, trusting that their connection will naturally align once both partners are spiritually ready and aligned with divine purpose. What does angel number 3939 for manifestation? Angel number 3939 is a powerful signal for manifesting with spiritual alignment and emotional clarity. The number 3 encourages creative visualization and faith, while 9 asks you to release what no longer serves your highest good. Manifestation is most effective when it's rooted in service, wisdom, and purpose. 3939 reminds you to focus your intentions on goals that align with your soul's mission rather than just material outcomes. When you shed limiting beliefs or outdated desires, the universe clears a path for your manifestations to flourish. It's a prompt to align thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest vibration. How does angel number 3939 affect finances? Financially, angel number 3939 suggests a shift in your approach to money, urging a balance between spiritual purpose and material need. The 3 invites creativity and innovation, while the 9 suggests letting go of scarcity mindsets or unsustainable financial habit. This number often appears when you're being called to use your talents for a greater cause, which can also bring abundance. It's a reminder that financial growth comes not just from effort, but also from aligning your work with your true values. 3939 encourages generosity, smart decisions, and trusting that the universe supports your needs when you're aligned. What does angel number 3939 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3939 signifies healing, closure, and release regarding former relationship. The number 9 symbolizes the completion of emotional cycles and encourages forgiveness and letting go. The 3 adds lightness and healing energy, reminding you to reflect without bitterness. 3939 urges you to accept lessons learned and honor the growth these past relationships brought you. It's a spiritual message that clinging to the past may block new, more aligned connections. If you've struggled with closure, this number brings reassurance that healing is possible and that you're ready to embrace love from a place of wholeness and self-awareness. How does angel number 3939 guide your work life? Angel number 3939 in your career highlights the need for purpose, creativity, and transition. The 3 energy encourages you to bring innovation and joy to your work, while the 9 signals that a career phase may be ending to make space for a more meaningful path. You're being guided to seek roles or projects that align with your values and make a positive impact. If you feel unfulfilled professionally, this number is a divine nudge toward a more spiritually rewarding vocation. It's time to express your talents authentically and trust that following your passion will lead to success and fulfillment. What are the strengths of angel number 3939? The strengths of angel number 3939 lie in its message of spiritual wisdom, creativity, and transformation. People influenced by this number are often compassionate, insightful, and capable of inspiring others. The 3 brings joy, expressive power, and optimism, while the 9 offers emotional depth, leadership, and a sense of divine service. Together, they foster a personality that is both imaginative and purpose-driven. These individuals often feel called to uplift others or contribute meaningfully to society. 3939 empowers strength through change, allowing you to evolve gracefully, speak your truth, and embrace life's cycles with resilience and spiritual clarity. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3939? Weaknesses associated with angel number 3939 may include resistance to endings, emotional overexertion, or being overly idealistic. The influence of 9 can make one overly focused on the past or on serving others at the cost of self-care. The 3's energy might lead to distraction or superficiality if not grounded. There can be a struggle between wanting to help everyone and the need to prioritize personal growth. Individuals may also feel lost during transitions, fearing change or lacking confidence in their path. To overcome these weaknesses, 3009